Why disconnecting the battery to reset a vehicle is no longer effective in modern cars. For years, some drivers have relied on disconnecting the battery terminal as a quick fix to reset certain electronic systems in their vehicles. This method was seen as a simple solution for resolving minor issues such as infotainment system malfunctions, electronic errors, or even resetting the engine control unit ECU. However, this practice has become increasingly ineffective, especially with modern vehicles. Why is this method no longer effective for modern cars? In this video, we will explore the reasons why this technique is becoming obsolete, the modern technologies that replace it, and what you can do to solve electronic issues in your vehicle without disconnecting the battery. 1. The technological evolution of modern vehicles. Modern vehicles have undergone significant technological advancements in recent decades. While older cars had relatively simple systems with a few dedicated electronic circuits, today's vehicles are highly sophisticated, featuring interconnected electronic modules. These modules control almost every aspect of the vehicle's operation, from the engine to the infotainment system, safety features, and comfort settings. In particular, recent cars, especially those with hybrid or electric engines, are equipped with highly advanced electronic systems managed by multiple control units and ECUs, electronic control units. These systems handle various critical functions such as engine management, transmission, braking systems, and more. Moreover, modern cars integrate technologies like onboard diagnostics (OBD) and sophisticated controllers that have replaced traditional mechanical management systems. These advanced systems require more sophisticated reset procedures than simply disconnecting the battery. 2. The impact of complex electronic management systems. One of the primary reasons why disconnecting the battery is no longer a reliable method for resetting modern vehicles is the complexity of their electronic management systems. For example, in modern cars, engine and transmission control units, as well as airbag systems and driver assistance modules, are all interconnected through a CAN bus controller area network communication network. This network ensures seamless and rapid communication between all the vehicle's systems and modules. When you disconnect the battery in such a vehicle, you not only cut power to these modules but also disrupt the entire CAN bus network. This can lead to communication errors and, in some cases, cause essential parameters to be lost, which may not automatically reset. As a result, rebooting the ECU electronic control unit is no longer as straightforward as it was in the past. 3. Non-volatile memory in modern vehicles. Modern vehicles use non-volatile memory to store critical operational data. These memory types, such as flash memory or EEPROM, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory, retain stored information even when power is disconnected. This means that once data is recorded in the ECU's memory, it does not simply disappear if the battery is disconnected. Instead, the information remains intact, and systems can continue functioning with the previous settings, rendering the battery disconnection method ineffective. For example, a modern engine control unit ECU retains stored settings and recorded data even after the battery is disconnected. In other words, it continues to use pre-recorded configurations such as fuel management or engine performance parameters. This makes the idea of resetting a vehicle by disconnecting the battery obsolete. 4. Driver assistance and safety systems. Another area where battery disconnection has lost its effectiveness is in safety and driver assistance systems. Today's modern vehicles are equipped with advanced technologies such as automatic emergency braking (AEB), lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, electronic stability control (ESC). These systems rely on sensors and cameras that are configured to adapt to driving conditions. When you disconnect the battery, these systems may lose their calibration, leading to potential errors. For instance, a tire pressure monitoring system may require a specialized software reset for the vehicle to recognize the correct tire pressure again. Similarly, cameras and sensors used for driver assistance systems often need to be recalibrated, a process that typically requires professional diagnostic equipment. The same applies to power steering systems, which can become less responsive or even display malfunctions if an incorrect manual reset is performed. 5. The importance of modern diagnostic tools. Today, solving electronic problems in a modern vehicle often requires the use of professional diagnostic tools. These tools allow direct communication with the vehicle's control units and enable targeted system resets. Modern vehicles are equipped with OBD2 onboard diagnostics 2 ports, which allow connection to a diagnostic scanner. These scanners can read error codes, reset specific systems, reprogram ECUs in a precise and controlled manner. Instead of relying on outdated methods like disconnecting the battery, using these diagnostic tools ensures that issues are addressed efficiently and safely. Conclusion: the old trick of disconnecting the battery to reset a car's electronic system is no longer effective for modern vehicles. With the rise of complex ECUs, CAN bus communication networks, non-volatile memory storage, and advanced safety systems, today's cars require more sophisticated reset methods. If you experience electronic issues with your vehicle, it is best to use a professional diagnostic tool or visit a qualified mechanic who can properly troubleshoot and reset the system.